Good evening, viewers. You are tuned into Dudarshan Meghalaya, and now we bring to you today's edition of the news. Before going to the details, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Durga Navami celebrated across India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi extends greetings on Maha Navami. FKJGP visits agitating Fastom teachers at Malki Ground, extends moral support. Shillong celebrates Durga Puja with devotion, culture and festive fervour. And Rangram town celebrates 50 years of Durga Puja. The news in detail. Durga Navami, also known as Maha Navami, is being celebrated today across the country as the 9th day of the Navratri festival. Devotees worship Ma Siddhidhatri, the 9th and final form of goddess Durga, and observe rituals such as Kanya Pujan, seeking blessings for prosperity and well-being. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted the nation on the occasion, wishing that Navratri brings good fortune, success and prosperity to everyone. The Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP today visited teachers staging a sit-in protest at Malki, now entering its 10th day, to extend moral support. FKJGP Vice President Kitbok Lang Nongplang expressed concern over repeated protests by teachers despite government assurances, urging authorities to prioritize education and ensure timely dues. He criticized the gap between political promises and ground reality. Fastom leaders held a meeting with Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today. They are scheduled to brief the press on the discussions tomorrow.
Once and for all. Mendesuk pun pendilai ke puan. Lara sorkar dan bisa ban penut tamasa fair boleh sorkar kam dan bisa ban siu yang ni ka hak juga ni dong.
Along with the rest of the country, Shillong is celebrating Durga Puja with great fervour and devotion. Thousands of devotees have been thronging the beautifully decorated pandals, showcasing elaborate idols, dazzling lights and traditional decor. The festivities feature cultural programs, community feasts, prasad distribution, with the annual drum beating competition at RR Colony drawing large crowds. Sarbajanin Durga Puja Committee President Somitra Chakravarti highlighted preparations for this year's Durga Puja in West Jaintia Hills, coinciding with Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. The committee emphasized adherence to National Green Tribunal forms, ensuring a pollution-free celebration.
Actually, the Durga Puja concludes or culminates rather on the 2nd of October 2025. And considering the fact that the 2nd of October is celebrated all over India as Gandhi Jayanti, and the Swachh Bharat campaign, which is a mandate now for all of us being responsible citizens of the country.
Rangram town in West Garo Hills is celebrating the golden jubilee of Durga Puja, marking 50 years since the festival first began in 1975 under the leadership of Sri Shok Badul Guru, Harka Badur Guru and Khajendra Sharma. The celebrations began with a traditional idol procession accompanied by drum beats. The Puja committee has organized charity drives including school kit distribution, food for the needy and an eye camp with Bansara Eye Center.
Here we are 50 years old, so this year we have the different kinds of program. We started with the charity program. We do the charity works like free school kit distribution to the underprivileged children. We have done with food distribution to the needy and poor.
Wapungskur village, East Janda Hills district was officially declared an ODF Plus model village under the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. The program organized by SRESDID, District Program Manager Damon Dakhar, said the village fulfilled all criteria including solid and liquid waste management, individual household latrines and public toilets. With this, East Janda Hills now has 4 ODF Plus model villages including Rupi, Umtara, Lomshken and Wapungskur. He emphasized that the main aim of Swachh Bharat is to prioritize cleanliness by organizing cleaning drives, training and providing schemes such as waste collections, vehicles, segregation sheds and facilities for solid and liquid waste management.
The aim of Swachh Bharat mission is to provide individual household latrine to individual households and public toilet in public places. We also prioritize cleanliness by organizing cleaning drives, trainings, awareness programs and many more. Other schemes from our department include waste collection vehicles, segregation shed, arrangements of solid liquid waste management facilities, etc.
The 20th memorial service of the 30th September 2005 victims was held at Chanmari Playground in Tura to honor those who lost their lives on the fateful day. MDC Bernard and Marak attended the event along with members of the Central Puja Committee and NGO leaders. The program included prayers, patriotic songs, a 2-minute silence and floral and candlelight tributes. Manseng A. Sangma, chairman of the 30th September Victim Solidarity Forum, recalled the events that claimed 9 lives in Tura and Williamnagar. He stressed that the annual memorial is about honoring the martyrs' sacrifice for the Garo people.
This year also we are commemorating this our memorial service to the victims of the 30th September police firing, which was occurred in 2005. So every year we used to observe this just to honor and just to show our respect to those heroes who have sacrificed their life on that fateful day. We are doing it just to show and just to remember, show our respect and remember those who have laid their lives for the cause of the Garo people and Garo Hills.
St. Joseph Academy of Nursing Umtrao felicitated its first ever graduating batch of 27 students who completed the General Nursing and Midwifery course for 2021 to 2024. Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.G. Singkon attended the graduation day as chief guest. In his address, Dr. Singkon lauded the institute's role in nurturing nursing professionals and urged the graduates to carry forward their careers with dedication, service and compassion.
I've learned that this academy has set a goal, adding multiple batches of GNM students and proudly launching its first BSc nursing program this year. Well, this is a commendable achievement. Congratulations to the management of this academy.
The ICCR Northeast Shillong yesterday organized a morning with Raga Malika at Raj Bhavan's Durbar Hall to promote local and national talent. Saitijas Chandrasekhar performed a Carnatic harmonica recital with accompaniment on violin, mridangam and ghatam. Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar praised ICCR's efforts in preserving India's cultural heritage. Zonal Director N. Munish Singh said such events will continue to showcase talented artists and diverse art forms in the region.
A morning with Raga Malika. This is by a very renowned group from Bangalore all the way. They came from Bangalore to Shillong to perform. They are our ICCR empanel artists headed by Ms. Sumana Chandrasekhar, lady ghatam player. And then we have with her a violinist and then Sai Teja as a Carnatic harmonica. So this 4 instruments combination they have displayed here at the Raj Bhavan, Shillong as a part of the Horizon series program of ICCR and we are very happy that audience really enjoyed the different style of Carnatic music in Shillong.
The NPP Ribhoi district today felicitated Sosthanis Sotun, MLA and MDC of Jirang, on his appointment as minister in charge of the CNRD, GAD and SAD departments. Leaders praised Sotun for his dedicated service and visible transformation in Jirang constituency, urging him to continue working for the development of Ribhoi and the state. In his address, Sotun expressed gratitude and pledged to work with greater commitment for the welfare of Ribhoi and Meghalaya.
Seluruh kajongan kubu MLA juga Jirang konsumsi yang berperan kabarau kabau Chief Minister demi sahabat kisama urajib yang kami hormati banten coklat apa kami.
A road mishap occurred yesterday along National Highway 6 at Samlem village, Ribhoi, when a Maruti Swift skid off the road and fell into a roadside drain. Eyewitnesses attributing overspeeding for the accident. The occupants, driver Francis Mirchang of Maoyong and Frederick Shangpliang, sustained injuries and were rushed to HC by police personnel from the Umsning outpost. In a rain-affected opening match of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025 at Guwahati yesterday, India trashed Sri Lanka by 59 runs. Batting first, India scored 269 runs for the loss of 8 wickets in 47 overs, and Sri Lanka, chasing a revised DLS target of 271, managed 211 in 45.4 overs. Sri Lanka won the toss and chose to bowl first. Meanwhile, Australia takes on New Zealand at Holkar Stadium indoor today.
No one back there. Call was for catch. It's gone past in a flash. It was...
The Meghalaya Swimming Association, in collaboration with the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, organised the first Masters Swimming competition today at Crinoline Swimming Pool. Around 80 swimmers, including 60 men and 20 women, competed in freestyle, butterfly, backstroke and breaststroke events. The competition marked a significant step in promoting swimming among athletes aged 25 to 65, encouraging wider participation and fostering competitive spirit in the state. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 29 degrees Celsius were recorded. The relative humidity is 84% and rainfall 17.5 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, 18 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature, 24 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature were recorded today. The relative humidity is 81%, rainfall 11.6 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 81% and rainfall 19.2 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai says moderate rain and thunder showers likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Durga Navami celebrated across India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi extends greetings on Maha Navami. FPJGP visits agitating fast-on teachers at multi-ground, extends moral support. Shillong celebrates Durga Puja with devotion, culture and festive fervour. And Rangram town celebrates 50 years of Durga Puja. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Until we meet again tomorrow, thank you for watching. Good night.